In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add the Home button in Google Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look for the Customize Chrome option. Click Customize Chrome to open those personalization settings. After that, find the Toolbar section. This area controls which buttons and shortcuts appear in your Chrome browser. Click Toolbar to view the available options. In this menu, look for the Home option. When you find it, click it to turn it on. As soon as this setting is enabled, the Home button will be added to your Chrome toolbar. It is usually displayed near the address bar, where it is easy to access while browsing. If you do not see the change right away, give Chrome a moment and check the toolbar area carefully. In most cases, the button appears immediately after the setting is turned on. Keeping your toolbar organized can make Chrome feel more efficient and easier to use every day. The Home button is especially useful for people who want a cleaner browsing routine. Instead of typing in a web address or opening a bookmark each time, you can simply click the button and go straight to your preferred home page. That covers everything you need to know.